I've walked dozens of clients through this exact sign-up flow. You'll have your HoneyBook account live in under 3 minutes. I'll show you all 8 steps, from opening the website to starting your free trial. No guesswork, just follow along. Open HoneyBook. Click Get Started for free. Then click Yes, Continue to move past the next step. Now, type your business name in the field. Next, enter your email address. Type your preferred password. Once all that's done, hit Continue. Finally, click Start 30-Day Free Trial. And that's it. You're all set up. Have fun with HoneyBook. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.